This is a really remote bit of road, you know what I mean? You didn't see many people at all up here, Dan.
I know.
I've done it before with you and
I did it with Donald and somebody else.
we've seen a Yeti and everything over here.
Yeah. It looks stunning though. Oh. It looks dark. Oh yeah. Oh sweet. Oh yes. It's proper. Oh, natural. Kind of. Woo! Aye. Oh, I remember this. It's exactly as good as I remember. Yes, man.
With a big drop on it.
How good is that? That's worth like a second run almost. Yes.
Oh man, that's so good. That's amazing.
That is good. That's the one I remember the most.
Oh, it's so good.
Just jumps in the right place, burns in the right place, roots in the right place just to go sideways.
This trace is one of these trails that gradually gets better and better as you go further down the hill. It's a nice little start. The pace head up the way. I'm a bit scared. There's not much to this bit of here, to be honest.
It's red. It's graded red.
It is graded red actually, yeah, the whole way down. Yeah.
Oh, whoop.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready when you are, Dave.
Ready. You go, man. You go. Do you want to go, Ewan? Oh, I'm steaming up already. Rooty tooty. Oh, it is up. Oh, oh. You alright? Oh. Oh no. You alright?
Yeah.
That's a full horizontal bike.
I would have liked to see that.
I don't know.
You clipped the pedal or
The
something.
wheel just tucked in underneath me. I was like, whoa!
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, there. It blew up the side of the berm.
Oh yeah, there's a root under there as well.
You're riding on the edge, man.
Yeah. Yeah, good. I was like a full blown like the front wheel just tucked in under the berm.
Oops. It's going straight up, man. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, I remember this. Wow. roots everywhere. Slidey. Woo! Oh my god. Oh shit. I see. All these corners in roots are like, oh!
Yeah.
What's that all about?
Yeah.
Sideways.
You've got your names on it. I went back up the angle. There was like 6 with my name in it. I actually seen it say that.
I just came here. The sniper just came here. Wild, isn't it?
It's good we got to warm up, so.
That is so good. But wow.
Yeah.
There's nothing mental about
Oh!
No.
roots.
Are you wanting this fighting me in the woods?
Help! Alright.
Oh, warm.
It's so warm. It's like tropical.
Yeah, man.
Tropical. Woo! Wow! Well, I wasn't expecting, but I was committed. Oh yes! I love it! Pedal, pedal! Oh, the chain is off. Oh, the chain is off. Oh, that was amazing! That was so good. That was sweet.
The big drop off the slab, and you don't realise it's kind of bigger than it looks.
I know.
Yeah.
So good, so good, so good, so good.
What was that all about? I hope that comes out.
Oh, that was amazing.
I wasn't expecting
Full on reaction as well.
the
Whoa, that was big.
drop. It was so big into the burn.
So did you see just as you came in the corner there, there was a trail that went off to the right?
Horse coming like Colby Falls.
A horse coming. Let's go.
You want to go next?
Oh yes! Oh, it keeps getting better and better indeed. Hi! God, I don't know how these roots grip. Rock slab! Oh man, look at this. It's gnarly, it's pretty. Everything. Woo! Pedal, pedal. Oh no! It's finished. No!
Right, I'm just going to go more tilt down there because I thought it would be greasy. But
Oh man, it's so good.
good day.
Super cool.
Little drops and stuff like you see the gap to the right as well at the bottom.
That's corner.
Oh, right. You've done that by the phone, haven't you?
Oh yeah. I might have done it. I can't remember.
The middle section you've got glass, and then you've got the icing on top of the cake, which is Balquhidder. Oh wow.